What if I told you that there is a cloud of alcohol in space that could get the entire human race drunk for 1 billion years? And it's not just any alcohol, it's ethyl alcohol, the same kind that you find in your favorite drinks in parties, pubs, and celebrations. Sounds too good to be true, right? This is not some fantasy or a joke. This is a real phenomenon that exists in our galaxy. Welcome to another episode of Most Amazing Channel, where we explore most amazing and outrageous phenomena in the universe. Today, we're going to talk about the giant clouds of ethyl alcohol that exist in outer space and how they reveal some of the secrets of star formation and life itself. But before we dive into this intoxicating topic, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Ethyl alcohol clouds in space are exactly what they sound like: huge regions of gas and dust that contain molecules of ethyl alcohol. One of the most famous examples is located near a constellation named Aquila, about 10,000 light-years away from Earth. This cloud was discovered by a team of astronomers using radio telescopes. They found that it is 1,000 times larger than the diameter of our solar system, and it contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Ethyl alcohol, or ethanol, is a simple organic compound that has 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom. It's also produced by fermentation, when yeast breaks down sugar. So how did this heavenly brew end up in... Ethyl alcohol clouds in space are actually nurseries for new stars. They form when giant clouds of gas and dust collapse under their own gravity and start to heat up. As they do, they create complex chemical reactions that produce different molecules, including ethyl alcohol. Some of these ethyl alcohol molecules attach to tiny specks of dust that float around the cloud. These dust grains act as catalysts, helping more ethyl alcohol molecules to form. They also shield them from ultraviolet radiation that could break. As the dust grains move closer to the center of the cloud, where a new star is forming, they get hotter and hotter. Eventually, they reach a point where they can no longer hold on to the ethyl alcohol molecules, and they release them as gas. This gas then radiates out into space, creating a giant cloud of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol clouds in space are not just fascinating curiosities, they are also important for astronomy and astrobiology. One reason is that they can act as natural amplifiers for radio waves, creating what are known as astrophysical masers. A maser is similar to a laser, but instead of emitting visible light, it emits microwaves. It works by stimulating molecules to emit photons of the same energy and wavelength, creating a bright and coherent beam. Ethyl alcohol molecules are particularly good at producing masers because they have many different energy levels that can be excited by radio waves. When these molecules are hit by radio waves from a nearby star or another source, they can emit more radio waves in the same direction, creating a maser. Masers can be detected by radio telescopes and used to study the structure and dynamics of the ethyl alcohol clouds. They can also reveal information about the magnetic fields, temperatures, and densities of the regions where they occur. Another reason why ethyl alcohol clouds are important is that they are a source of organic molecules, which are the building blocks of life. Ethyl alcohol is one of the simplest organic molecules, but it can also react with other molecules to form more complex ones, such as amino acids, sugars, and nucleotides. These molecules are essential for life as we know it, and they may have been delivered to Earth and other planets by comets and asteroids that formed from the same clouds of gas and dust. In fact, some scientists think that ethyl alcohol clouds may have played a role in the origin of life in the universe. According to Barry Turner at the National Radio Astronomy Observatory, these ethyl alcohol clouds may help us better understand how life might arise elsewhere in the cosmos. So there you have it. Ethyl alcohol clouds in space are not only amazing and outrageous, but also important and informative. They are giant regions of gas and dust that contain enough drink to get everyone drunk for 1 billion years. They are nurseries for new stars that produce complex chemical reactions that create ethyl alcohol and other molecules. They are natural amplifiers for radio waves that can be used to study their properties and behavior. And they are sources of organic molecules that may have contributed to the origin of life in the universe. Cheers to that. Thank you for watching this episode. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another shocking video from us. We'll see you next time, when we'll explore another amazing and outrageous phenomenon in the universe. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.